Because you see those days when you don't feel like showing up, those are actually the days when you should show up. Well, these are things we do to just look good for camera. Do you understand? So pardon me today if I have to comb my hair in front of you, because I mean, this is me being vulnerable, because I don't know how to edit. I don't know how to edit all this for now, so it means that I'll probably have to put it out there the way it should. So I was working 9 to 5, working for an hospitality company in Abuja, and I was doing really well, but I wasn't having time for myself, friends, or family. I lost relationships. When I say I lost relationship, I mean I lost good relationships. I lost good friends. And on social media, people probably think I don't reply messages because of pride. But what did you know was the fact that I wasn't even having time for myself. So I had to quit along the line. I had to quit, and I started doing other things. I started doing other things that could bring money to the table. Yeah, because I mean, you just got to do what it gets got to do, right? Yeah, well, not the bad ones though. Why am I telling you all this? I'm telling you all this because with the social media platforms, it has really given a lot of people a sense of belonging. You know, you can actually go to any platform you want, and for me, I feel this community is where I get to add value, where I get to teach people things to do, things to know, because of the knowledge I already acquired. For me, YouTube is a place whereby you come to learn. So as I'm impacting into other people, I'm also learning, because really there's no really a higher grade or space where you can actually stop learning. In life, you have to learn as you grow. You learn to unlearn, and sometimes you'll probably be surprised there are so many things you don't even know exist, and you get to see them on social media. So why am I saying all this? I'm saying all this because YouTube is actually giving me a platform to create and interact with people of different races, people I'd never really thought I would see. This is actually going to be one of the videos you'll see today that's not been edited. And it's because I just came out that way. I wanted to connect with you guys and tell you whatever you're facing right now, you're not just the only person. We're all going through it, but we all smile through it, right? It's been a struggle for me to start creating content on YouTube, because I was wondering how and when and where I get growth from. And then I realized, if it's a platform where I get to grow, why don't I instill growth into others watching me? The key is consistency. Because with consistency, I've had a couple of subscribers, and I am hoping that when we do more with the content creating, teaching people how to grow, teaching people meaningful impact, I'm sure the algorithms will put our videos out there. It's not easy, I understand, but as a content creator, there are steps we have to take. I think I'm paying my dues now, so I get to be monetized in future. I hope it comes soon, and I pray that whoever is new on TikTok as me also get monetized on time, because trust me, I know the struggle is not easy. It's not easy having to join something new, something you've not been into. It's like we're stepping on new soil, and you see people doing it and making it, and you're wishing and praying, when will you get monetized? So this is me ranting, because I know everybody's going through this. Some of us are going through it, and I'm wishing you that in everything you're doing right now, I pray that your hard work will speak for you, and that you get monetized and you start earning from this platform. But first, you need to put in the good work. You need to teach people things. You need to impact to others. That way, people get to learn from you too. So my name is Patience of if you're just joining this channel, I'm a new YouTuber. So I'd like you to just subscribe, share this video, and follow me for more tips on how to grow your YouTube channel too.